Okay, so the equation that we're going to be solving is 213 plus 389. We're going to start by doing a quick estimate. So for starters, I noticed right away that 213 is very close to 200. 200 would be like a very nice, friendly benchmark number for us. I also noticed that 389 is very close to 400, which would be another friendly number for us. So for a quick, easy estimation, I would round 213 down to 200, and I would round 389 up to 400. And that would give us an estimate of 600. We're going to be showing this concretely to start. So in our hundreds place value, we have these hundreds flats. In our tens place value, we have the rods of 10. And then in our ones place value, we have our single units. So this is worth 1, 10, and 100. So we start by solving the equation on the right side. We start with the ones. So 3 plus 9 gives us 12. We can trade 10 of these ones for one of the tens rods. So I've traded it, so I have to take away 10 out of the ones column. Now we can move forward to our tens place. So we have 2 plus 8, we have 10 of the rods of 10. So 10 of the rods of 10 we know is equal to 1 of the hundreds. So I can actually trade all of my tens place for exactly 1 more of the hundreds. So I have 100, and our board is a little bit small, but basically what we're left with is 6 of the hundreds and 2 of the ones. So that means that the sum of 213 plus 389 will leave us with 602. Now to our pictorial representation. So once again, we have 213 represented here, 389. So we will start with the ones column again. So 3 plus 9 gives us 12 again. So we are going to trade 10 ones for 1 more rod of 10. So now we only have 2 ones left in the one column. Then next we have 2 plus 8, that gives us 10. So because we have 10 rods of 10, we can actually trade all 10 of them again for just 100. So now down here, we're going to see the sum, 6 in the hundreds column, so 600, plus we don't have anything left in the tens column, so 600 plus 0 in the tens column, but we have 2 left in the ones column. So 600 plus 2 gives us our sum of 602. Lastly, we're going to show the equation now in its symbolic form. So starting with the ones, we are going to look at 3 plus 9, that gives us 12. So we can take 10 out of our 12 ones and move it to the tens column. So we're going to trade 10 ones for 1 10. Now that we've carried 10 over, we're only left with 2 in the ones column. Moving on to the tens place value, we now have 1 plus 1 plus 8, so we have 10 in the tens value. So we're going to carry 10 tens into the hundreds to make 1 100th. So we've traded 10 tens for 1 100. We're left with 0 in the tens column. So now we're left with 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 6 in the hundreds column, which we can see leaves us with a sum of 602. So now I'll show you my personal strategy to solve this equation. So I call this finding a benchmark number, or as we sometimes call it in class, finding a friendly number. So in order to make 389 a friendly number, I would like to make that 400. So to make it 400, I have to add 11 to get me there. So now 400 is a nice, easy, friendly number to work with. But because I added 11 to this side, I have to subtract 11 from our other addend. So 213 minus 11 equals 202. 202 plus 400 gives us our sum of 602. Now I just want to say, reflecting back on our original estimation of 600, we should be pleased to see that we came very close, and that is Luigi interrupting the assignment. Anyway, we can see that our estimation was very close. We were only 2 off, so that's great news.